Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike. Hope you had a wonderful evening last night. Looking for an amazing trading day today. Why? We do that every single day. Let's head over to the main screen. I'm testing out some new platforms I'll show you about right here. Started this yesterday right here, this demo account with this company. I'm testing them out for everybody. It's called this Ava right here, and this is the Metaphor platform. They gave me, you could see right here, and you start when you place a trade negative. You have to cover the spread. There's no commissions, and you get a lot of buying power. So I have right here the history. You could see I started with 100,000 on the time 12/2 right here at last night, and just trading the S&P 500. You could trade. It trades 24 hours a day. You can also, I'll show you what they have. It's really nice. Amazon, Boeing. You could trade Bitcoin right here. So right here, 100,000, it shows you your trades and your profits. So here's where it started, and these are your profits and losses, and these are the individual trades. And Boeing and Amazon, S&P 500 and Bitcoin Cash. They have all kinds of amazing things you could trade. So I started off right there, and I lost 780 on the Boeing. Testing out the stuff. I made 800, so I was a wash right there. Made on Amazon, but lost on Boeing. It seems like $200 and $500 is the sweet spot. And then I started racking in and just trading the NASDAQ because I like the NASDAQ. It's way overvalued. Any kind of spikes right here at 12,469. I was shorting it right there. Made 250, 300, 400, 400. Boom, 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 boom. Still the NASDAQ 100. These are all NASDAQ 100s. One lot. I'm scaling. So as it's going up, what I'm doing is you could see right here, I'm selling it not when it's red, but when it turns blue. So on an uptick, I'm hitting the bid. I don't want to do it when it's red, but I want to do it when it's blue. Like, you got to time it good. As soon as it turns blue, it's 70.25. Let's go 70.50, 70.75. I'll click it again. So it went lower. So I don't want to do it when it's lower. So you want to do it higher. You got, there's 70 right there, 70.50. 72. I think I got it at 72. So here's where I got it right there. Well, actually, I'm in some already. I probably had some orders in there. So I just got that last one right there, and it turns you negative. So right off the bat, you got to cover that. So if you're right on the trade, it'll go down, then those will turn all up. If you're wrong, you get more of a loss than that. So you got to be spot on with your entries and your scales. So right there at 72, we'll get it again when it's blue. Missed it, got it, 75. So you can see I just got it at 50 and 75. I'm hitting those 50s and 75s right there. And each one of them I'm down $100 on. Nope, now it just drops. So see how quickly they went to profits? Now I'm up 50, up 100, now I'm up $500. See that? How quickly the turns when you're right. Now I'm up $50. So when all these get to 100, 200, 300, I'll take profits on a bunch of them and hold one or two. I'm up $1,000 right there. See, the NASDAQ's dropping right now. So there you go. So right now we'll go back to this, and you come back to it. If you're right on the trade, you get a nice bar. I did it before earlier from here to all the way down to here. Now I'm doing it again in this range. I'm up 980. I'm going to take some profits soon. $1,000 is $1,000. Up 980. Drop a little bit down right there where it did before. Go test that bottom. I'm good. See, it just went to negative 400, negative 600. I was up 980. Next time that happened, now I'm down 1,000. Get some more in there. And now on this drop down, I'll cover some for a profit. All right, I've got a boatload of them now. Let's see how much I can make on this trade or lose. Let's do one more. There we go. I'm done. So it's a great platform. I'm testing it out. You could put in like as little as $100 and you get like $10,000, $20,000 of buying power off $100. And that's it. The demos, they give you 100,000, but you could trade amazing stuff. Let me show you what you could trade. So you could trade, and it's all bracketed in the colors. So right up here are the currencies. One lot is 100,000. Here's Bitcoin. One lot is 10 Bitcoin. So one lot is 10 whole Bitcoin, dude. It's unbelievable. Look, one lot is 100,000 Ripple. In one lot you could trade at 62 cents. You can be controlling a lot. S&P 500, one lot's 100. You got the NASDAQ 100, one lot's 100. And you got gold, one lot's 100 troy ounce. Apple, one lot's 100 shares. Google, one lot's 100. Facebook, one lot's 1,000, dude. So you got to see what you're buying, you know. You got to make sure. Tesla, one lot is 100 shares. And the spread is like 567. Let's see what the spread is compared to that. By 568.24. It's at 592. So that's off. But these are CFDs, so it doesn't matter. That if Tesla goes up, this one will go up. If it goes in tandem. 122.96 to 123.17 on Apple. Where's Apple? I had it right here at the top. AAPL always has to be my first. 123.48 by 49, and here it's 122.96 by 123.17. See that? One lot, 100 shares. Let's see, Apple. Is it even? No, I don't think it's trading. I have BOA, Bank of America, and Teva. These trade when the market opens. So if you try to buy it, let's see here. I'll try to buy Teva as an example, a one lot. You go into the hear the noise, and you go into it just says market is closed. Right here, see? This is what, you get an error, and then you look in here, it says market's closed. And then you come back to your trade thing on the bottom. Here's your exposure, what you got, and what your exposure is. And then here's your history. And then you got mailbox, signals, and then your journal of all the stuff that happens. All right, see that? I'm down $1,300. I'm down $1,700. So let's come back and let's be up $4,000. Watch as the NASDAQ dumps. I'll be up $4,000 on this trade. Hey, good morning there, Mr. P-Tav out there. What's going on? Let's see what's hot in the stocks. Let's see what's going on. Computer froze. All right, we got some hot ones this morning. EVK, $6.21. I put this out earlier in the MOJO room at, yeah, it's a cool platform, ain't it? I'm testing it now for all you guys. So you have right here, where is that one? EVK up 157% right here. It was 538. Now it's 618. Not too bad. I think I even posted it on social media for people to check that baby out. Right here, EVK. Right here, 538. Now it's 638. Nice point. Didn't put up many of them. I didn't put up 20 and say they're all going to work. I put up that one. EVK posted at 538. Now 638. Nicely done. Come trade with the Mojo. Right there. Come trade with the Mojo team. Let's see what we got here. Post a link. Here we go. 6:30. You want to see another mover? The banks. Wells Fargo's moving today. Ooh, Wells, little Bank of America, Heinz in 29. Little Deutsche Bank, Heinz in 12. Little bank action, little KBSF, KB Fashion doing good with Naked Brands, NAKD on the little side. So that one's up 30%. NAKD has been up 3 days in a row, up 7.9. So you got, look, oh yeah, back here 3 days in a row, but here it's been, and that was the last move. Went from 7 cents to 33, tripled. Oh, Mogo's there again. Not Mojo, Mogo. Remember the other day we were doing that? Back and forth, back and forth.
Well, yes.
All right, so we got the hot list right here. Trade signals on GFR. Express is down 118. Ooh, glad took profits at 150, 160 on that. Oh, I hate when this happens. Look, SRAC went by at 14. But we own SRAX. Shracks, not Shrek. Hate when that happens. Damn. You think I'm up on that? You think I'm up on that or down a lot on that right now? On the on the futures pick on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look. I am down 800, down 1200, down 1600, down 800. I own them all right here. You could see, you click this little window, you could see the lines. Those are my trades. So, and the red line right here is the ask line. So if I buy it back, that's where I'm buying it back above. So the stock it's right here, has to come down, and then this red line will come down underneath there, and then I'll be in profits. If it goes up, I'm screwed. If it goes down, I'm great. And I think it's going to go down because if you switch right here to the 30-minute chart, look at this thing. It's going to go test this. Look at this base. Hey, if it goes above that on a spike, let it be. There's like, look at this. A ceiling there, ceiling here, and all ceiling. It can't go above. It's been testing it look at that. It's going to drop and go whoop, just like this. See this red line like this? See that? See that? See that? See that? See that? It's going to be like these. Boom. You're going to go whoop, whoop. Big, because we're in the downtrend right now. Can't get over this. Don't have to worry about that. That already started it. And now we're going to go head under this 20% and stay there. Stay there, baby. See how we came down into this one, this one, this one, this one? We're heading back down into that one. Totally is. And it's going to rock it down. Look, I'm down $4,955. When I come back, I'll be up $5,000. Watch. So you click this button up here, and they all go to the same window. Ready? Watch. Boom. How cool is that? How cool is that, dude? How cool is that? Oh, let me see who this is. Hold All righty. WFC 29. What do we got going on? All right, 18 minutes to the market. A long time. Solo's moving again. 736. Last time it moved, it went to 13. It's half price. 50%. Let's see what stopping station it went to. 580. Always interesting to see where they stop and rebound back up. Like Aurora Cannabis. Let me show you. The weeds. 10, 1190. So like this one went to 16. Actually, it was 16, not 14. But it stopped at half, down to 642. $663, $685, right there, testing it each day. So it popped to $12.50 and stopped at $9.60. And no rhyme or reason on any of that. I gotta do the watch list. Watch list. This was from yesterday, NAOV and all these others. Let's change it for today. So we have 12/3. 22 days left of Christmas range. So you have, I like the DB, it's 1175. I like the other bank, WFC, Wells Fargo, 29. I like KBSF. Put that one up there. What is that? 350. What else? GoPro 798. I like that one. Get a Heinz $8. GoPro. There you go. Going through 8. And what else is hot? Fuel cell going through 8. Both of them going through 8. That's a sign. $8 on both. Fuel cell and GoPro, both same exact price. Look at that. That's nice to see. Both have signals at 8. And DB, that one. Look, told you I came from $4,000. I'm up $185. Told you. Look at that. This one I'm down 300. That's the Dow Jones 30. But all the others are the NASDAQ 100. I'm up $185. I told you. See that thing dump? Actually, I was profitable there for a second. Look at that. Came all the way down to this red bar. See that? I'm going to dump that thing again. Thing's going to dump, dude. Mojo's going to be up a bunch of cash on this today. Taking it from 100,000. Let's see if I can take it in one day to 200,000. To 200 grand. Let's see. If this thing dumps down to this level right here, it dumps to here. That's a probably, so look, it's down $4,000 already, and it didn't even do anything. So if it dumped down there, that would probably be $100,000 move. The count would double if it came down and did that little red double bar right here. You'd double all your entire money just on that. And then if it came down to this, you'd have probably way over $500,000. So you could start with 100. Here it would be worth 1,000. Here it would be worth 5,000. If it only came down to where it was 3 sessions ago. 3. Look. Go to the 4 hour. There it is. It's just got to come down to that point. See that? And that point right here is right here. It'll come back, test that. Look, last time it was up here, it came down and tested that. So let it come. This is just to here. Then if it comes down to here, you're like so huge. And imagine if it went under that down to here. So this is $100. This is 1,000. That's 5,000. This is $50,000 down here. You turn $100 into 50 grand on that kind of move down there. Yeah. The NASDAQ takes a dump. It's at 12,470. So a 10% move is 1,200 points. That puts it only over to here. And it's got to go to there. Oh, I'm only down to 1,700. You click this button, all the windows snap back together. Pink. Look at that. Got Apple, Facebook, Tesla. Look at all these other stocks. You got heating oil, natural gas. You got Alibaba, Amazon, 100 shares. Twitter, one lot's 100. ExxonMobil is 1,000. One lot's 1,000 shares of ExxonMobil. GE, one lot's 1,000 shares. Walmart, one lot's 1,000 shares at 150. Bank of America, 1,000. Coke, 1,000. Berkshire Hathaway, Disney, one lot's 1,000 shares. Teva, 1,000. They're all 1,000. CFD, 1,000 shares. PG, Pfizer, JP Morgan, Groupon, there's Groupon, Cisco, Chevron, all these babies. Look at that. Nike, Medtronics, Netflix. Look at that. Oh, I'm up $3,000. Look. Up $3,000. Ha, told you. Look at that. Up 200, 100, 200. I'll take some profit on some of these. 200. 175. See that? Came right back, dudes. The NASDAQ right there. Took a little dumpski on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. See? Now it's all under here. These are all my orders. Now it's under here. This shit goes down and dumps down to here. I'm going to be a little patient on a lot of these. Got a big banger coming, bros. And then you can come on here. You can go bang, and I can click in on make it a little bit bigger. See, all my orders are right there in that line. The ask line is above now, so I'm down. See, 1,200. But I booked a couple of profits. So if you go into account history, I just booked that 200 and that 175 right there, which was nice. There you go. And that's how the system works. It's really nice. Got a lot of great things to trade. Got Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. You know, there's big spreads in them and stuff, but you got to maintain. You know, I tried those last night. They're very big spreads in the coins. So I didn't trade those and test those. And then you have cotton. Then you got Nike, Netflix. They're all grouped together, dude. Look. One lot of these is 100,000 shares of Vodafone. Adidas. Amazing, isn't it? The products and everything. Look, I'm down $4,000 again. See that? I should have covered and then redone the trade right there because the buy is way above. Look, here's the buy line right now. See it? It's got to come back down to here. I'm going to cover next time and then redo it again. So I'm down 4. I'll come back to it. We'll see what it is. Look at this SPLK down $43. Splunk. It's all the way down there. Fuel Cell Heinz 8, but GoPro didn't. See it? Teladoc's going to go into 200. TDOC going to Heinz 200. Last time it Heinz 200, see how big the bar was. It went right here from 199 to 209. On this day, it went through it. It went to 203.86. So that's what it'll do today. All right, guys, let me leave the screen going for you right here like this, and I'll be back. Hey guys. So one of the traders who's been with me a really long time sent me a message yesterday and brought my attention with what you're talking about right here, Mr. Koss, how Mara may hind 6. Yes, at some point it will. Don't just be, boom, right in. It's going to do it. Be patient and wait. This one trader has not really been so successful, gets banged out in the morning a lot and doesn't do so great on the first trade. So he's like, I'm going to wait now and see how things 15 minutes, 30 minutes into the open, and then pick out some strategic Heinz trades, and has been trading a lot better. So yeah, it may Heinz, but then it may not and drop down to 577 and it'll ruin your whole morning. So I would just probably wait, have it on the radar, and maybe buy it at 6 even. And then let's see how high it can go after that. You know what I'm saying? 599. Because it went to 622, if you like that one. 1 minute to the open, guys. 1 minute to the open. So I'm thinking about, with what I got going on now with the this platform, I'm up $3,000. Look at the thing dump. Holy crap, I was up so much more. Look, it dumped all the way down, dude. I was probably up $5,000, dude. Look, now it's going back up the line. That red line, dude, it was probably all the way right there. I was up so much. I'm up $5,000. Look at that. $6,000 taking profits. Look. Look at that, huh? Look at that, huh? And I'm still down on the Dow Jones 30. But look at that dump, dude. Woohoo! I told you. Sick, right up 700 on that trade. Boom, boom. I took them all. I'm leaving one. I'll leave this. What is this Dow Jones 30? How come that one didn't go anywhere? Oh, it's still up there. It hasn't dumped like the NASDAQ did. Look at my middle one. I told you, the NASDAQ's up the most, so it was the biggest, highest one, dude. That was the greatest trade. I'm up to $123,000, dude. Nice. All right, let's get off of this. I'm going to come back to it later and try to trade some stocks, but I'll just leave those two open right there, see how much I can get off of them. Isn't that cool, dudes? Yeah, don't get screwed right out of the gate. How cool was that, dude? All right, here's UV right at 11. I'm taking entry right here on that sucker. We're going to add up at like right into 5 and it'll go higher. Beautiful green bar, 112,000 on the first. Bank of America dropping, WFC dropping, holding, not doing nothing on that. DB holding its own at 1177. ACB at 96. Watching. Fuel cell dropped to 785. GoPro held its own at 97, dropped to 93. NSCO, Nesco, Mayheim 6, watch it, there's a signal at 6. NSCO may rip that and go even to 7. Cody 750, Cody 750. Let me look at the daily. Oh, it's way up there. Pass on Cody at 750. Pass. Let's take SQQQ. It's right here. I think this is the opposite of the other. See this? I'm down huge on that NASDAQ now. So NASDAQ watch. Let's take the NASDAQ shorty now. Just keep on press. Just take the NASDAQ shorty now. I'm back in. Down $5,000, but when I come back, I'll be up so much. Watch that. That's a sick trade, dude. Let's see, 6. Let me see if I can get some more off. Hold on. I'm all maxed out. So this trade will be huge for me. Let's see what I'm down. Down 12 grand. When I come back, I should be up huge. Let's see. Buying SQQQ at 16.79 and 80. Adding. Down 5 grand. It turned all the way red. Look, it went all the way down, dude. Holy crap. From 12 grand, I was up a second ago. It went all the way down there. Look at that. It went all the way down to here, dudes. Look at that, huh? I'm down 7 grand. But don't look at it. In a second, when it comes flying back down here into this range, I'm going to be up so much money, it's sick. So you got to sometimes be red and go from a loss to a gain in the trade. Let it do what it wants up here and shit, okay? Don't look at it. All right, let me go back to my stock. Where is this? Minimize. All right, back at 16. This one hasn't done anything. It's still the same price. Airlines are doing good today. 15.40 on the app. AT&T is doing that today. What's Delta doing? 42. Delta's up another $1. Is that really 18 Norton anti-lock? I think that used to be up big. Yeah, Norton anti-lock, 18. That used to be up big. Told you it used to be up here. I saw it, 28 bucks. It's weird. Fuel cells moving back up, 792, guys. Fuel, excuse me, fuel cell. UV, here comes new high. SQQQ 80. Here it comes. Down 9 grand on the trade. Look, it's coming back down. Look. Big reds. All I need, here's all my trades right here. So I come back next, we'll be right in this zone. I'll be up a bunch. GoPro, nothing. Netflix passing on. EVK Heinzing 6. Here we go. Click, click. 590, 94, 96, 97. EVK. Right here. Damn, my entry freaking dropped. I'm down 20 cents. I'm going to add. Got it. 74. Average 84. I only got 300. I haven't added yet. I'll add back up in the 90s. Otherwise, it's not going to make us any money right here. Not adding up to anything. A UV 1104. Still down on that. Giving this one more minute. One more minute. Giving this one. Here we go. 88. There we go. Selling half at break even right here. Hold the other half. If it drops back down, we'll redo it again. We got the other half to go above 6. I'll forego half the profit. Good job. Rebuying back right here at 61. Damn, missed it. I'm only trading I didn't even buy the third position yet, so I'm just trading tiny dollars around it. Adding on my UV position. SQQQ's holding right there at 80. Down 10 on the other still. Nothing's exciting today. EV's just 4. It's creeping up. We know where it goes to 19. From 6 to 9, I'm going to add again. See if we get touchy 11. This way we stay above it on the cost. SQQQ may move right here. We got 81, 82 for a nice shiner. Cars is moving. They talked about it this morning on TV, but it's only 17,000 shares, so we can't trade it. I'm deleting it. Fuel cell failed. What was the other one you liked? That was going to Heinz Mara. See, glad I told you to hang out on tomorrow at 5.8 and you didn't jump on it right there at the open. You'd be in the same situation of terribleness. Bank of Boeing's going to 232 right here, but I'll pass on that trade. Here's, I got one I used to trade, LMFA. 79 cents, 59,000 shares, no volume, pass. Nothing's moving. Down 15,000 still on this trade. WFC Heinzing 29 right here. And the Bank of America going to. Let me see if I could trade. I shouldn't be. I want to see if I could trade some stocks now on that system. I'll do it this afternoon. BAC, taking that long with WFC and DB. Let's get in and take those 3. Looks like they're going higher. The WFC, the BAC, and the DB. Other 3 looking good right here. WFC looking good. Is that really Savara at $1.30? Tesla $5.93, a piece of shit. So let me, Tesla dudes. So here's what's going on with the Tesla. Look, I said to these people right here, cares aren't bought like other items. The fact that so few own the car means the room for growth is high. Yeah, if you say so. Well, when cell phones were out for a long time, more people adopted them than the electric car. So do your comparison, MP. It's actually bullish. Tesla, one of the reasons I think the stock is way overvalued is not many people own it or want the product. So if someone doesn't even want your product and no one even owns it, really, why is it worth so much? It's overvalued. And out of the poll, 100 people did it. And to some people, 100 wasn't enough. But I got a pure sample, even 100. 65 out of 100 said none of the people they know own a Tesla. Out of 10. 1 to 3, that's a very small percentage. So he says it's bullish. I say, if you say, mate, where I do business, it's the opposite of that. Like trading. When I buy, all the others sell. And when I sell, all the others buy. If nobody wants it, then it shouldn't be worth so much. Have a great holiday. I just think and do the opposite. Cares aren't bought like other items. The fact that few own the cars means the room for growth. Yeah, and then the Winklevoss twins would be so bullish on it, but they're not. So there you go. They know everything. 98, and that's your conclusion? This guy, he's a left. Yeah, that's my conclusion. One person watching. Oh, Julie did great yesterday. Overwhelmed. The money made from Neo. The boot camp is working 100%. Thanks a million. Find the attached sheet, which he did the trading of the Heinz trade play yesterday. Made 68 cents. Bought it through Heinz 39. Sold it at 39.69. Bought it at Heinz 39, sold it at 40. Bought it at Heinz 40, sold it at 40.70. Great trading. $2,000. SQQQ hasn't moved. UV has 1107. Adding on my UV right here, guys. Adding on UV. And this one is down, same. Hasn't moved yet. Same. UV's doing beautiful. And the Dow's up 85 and the comp's up. Everything's up again. 30,000. Did we go 30? 29,982. We're at 29,973. The room's going to stay open 24 hours a day, guys, starting in January. This live screen share in the room will always be on. It'll either be on during the day, that, and at night, that. Look, I'm only down $5,000. It's dumping now. See? Told you. Look at that. Dumping. Dumping like a chumping. In a minute, I'll be up. And I'm not looking at what I'm up or down. I'm playing my trade. My trade is for it to come back down into here. Onto this original one right there. Let it come back down onto my original buy right there, and I'm up huge. Let it come down and test this in a big sell-off today, which it will. I'm up huge. See that? Down 11. All of a sudden I'll be down 2, then I'll be up 5. Just like that. Look, it's turning red. Boom, it's going to go. Watch. Let's come back to it in a little bit. SQQQ's 80. My UV's 9. I got a full position of UV. We're looking for the touch of 11. UV has paid us many days in a row. And if you were part of my service, you would be enjoying it like these guys are too here. Look at this guy. Great call on UV. Solid, no headaches. Saved my ass because he played Neo wrong. I said, stay away from those fast-moving stocks in the first month of your account because you have no cushion. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? Beautiful. 1110, baby. 1110. SQQQ may follow now. Come on, mama. The Dow wants 30,000. Pretty bad. But I don't, who cares? Down 11 still. Give it time. Down 6. Look, dumping. Down 5. Down 4. Down 3. Gonna be up in a second. 82. 82 on SQQQ. Here we go, baby. 83. 84. 85. 86, 87. Here we go, Mojos. Payday. Yeah, baby. Nailed it. UV 1111 on the move. UV full position 1112. Full position. This one should be up now. Up $6,000. Up $6,000 now on this. Up 6,000. Told you that dump came. Here's that dump. Told you. Up 6,000. Covering some of it. That's how it rolls, baby. That's how it rolls, Mojo. Let that baby go back up. I'll do it again right here. I'm no fear. No fear. Hasn't even come down to my original buy right there, which I'm down $800 on. But all these up here, I just scored. Now the account's worth 127, 128. Beautiful trading right there, dude. Still in UV. Still in UV. Still in UV. And I'm still in SQQQ. Still in both of these. These haven't made a big enough move for me because I get tremendous leverage in this account. So you can see I'm down $2 grand. I'm going to do it again. Look, bink, 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 shorting it again. Look, all the way up. I'll wait now. If it goes higher, I'll do some more. Just did it again. See that? Down to three grand. I come back, I'll be up 5 grand now. As it goes, retest the bottom of this. So 83 on that UV new high, still in full position, ready for a new high at 1112. I'm the only chat room in the world that specifically tells you, and we're not in 30 different stocks, we're in like 1 or 2, that's it. Exactly when to buy, how many that I have and showing, and when to sell if we're going to be doing that, and when you should appropriately do that. Absolutely. SQQQ, give it a patient little minute. Let this baby go back up, down 3 grand. Let's do another. Do another. Like, and another. And another. Let's see, come back. I'll be up another 5 grand. Take it to 150. And by the end of this little escapade. That's how I do it every day and every night now. Trading Bitcoin, trading futures. Come and trade with me, guys. There's a special right there. Be trading all day and all night. Room will always be open. Can always come by the Mojo room. Screen share will always be on with the platform. Always looking at what I'm trading. Absolutely. Always be trading. Always be trading. Like AB. Oh, that's a good shirt. ABT. Always be trading. Like ABC. Always be closing. In trading, it's always be trading. Nice, right? I'll always be trading. SQQQ drop back down, but I'm still in it. I don't care. Hexo, dude, moving again. Look, Hexo got a gonzo at 17, Holmes. Look, down 10 again. Oh, 20, just like before. Look, it's all the way up there. I should have waited. I have no patience. This is where I wanted to short a couple more. Just like before. Look, I'm down so much. Don't look at it. Come back. GoPro's moving 809, new high. Stay away. I don't want it. KXIN, Heinz 7, guys. Right here. KXIN, Heinz 7. Connects KXIN, little Heinz in action. Patience. ITRM, Mike, what that's the coolest, Dante. That's the metaphor, baby. It's the metaphor platform, brother. Wells Fargo, 2909. NSCO, new high. NSCO, guys, new high from that pick. Heinz 6. NSCO, dudes, Heinz. Let me look at Neo just for a second so I can rattle my eyes. Oh, it dropped all the way down, came all the way back up, just like it always does every day. Look at that. This is exactly what it did yesterday. Yesterday just kept on going and going and going and going and going. Ride I did good on yesterday. Traded Ride yesterday for like a point. I think from 21 to 22. 21 to 22. Glad I kept you off Mara, dude, right? Mara's a piece of shit today. Went to 577, exactly where I told you it was. Scroll back, listen, 577. That's where I told you it was going. It went there, right? Amazing, isn't that? Amazing. Guys, I'm not selling UV. I'll tell you when to sell, dudes. Okay, I want to put a new high like 30 times. 30. We'll do it 30 times. Right now it's 11, 12. Wait for 13. That'll be the 29 more times to go. NSCO new high 660. This one I'm down 20. $6.70. Going to $7 now. Amazing. Oh, these picks are amazing. UV new high 13. UV new high 13. Nailed it. UV nailed. Going to 19. Bro, you nailed it. 19 on UV. I go get a new cup of coffee. I come back. UV's 19. Back. Who's there? Nailed it. That's awesome. Payday on UVXY. Sweet. 3 days in a row. 3 days in a row, payday on UV. Straight up rail grind. Super sweet. It's always since I called it for hate. Called it for a hater the other day. There we go, 14, 15. Bang. SQQQ, here we go. This one only should be down 10. 8. Only down 8. Told you, dudes. Mojo knows, dude. Don't look at this. Play the moves. Here comes the big downturn again. Going to test the bottom of that. I'll cover. Then it'll pop back up. Eventually, it's going to go break that, baby. Watch this move. Here we go. Down 4. Here we go. Up. Ready. Watch. Down 5. Downside was just even. Here we come. So I've made back 20. I'm even now. So that's like a 20. Look at that move. Here we go. We're going positive. Here we go. Here we go. Watch this. And we're up 1,000. Up $3,000. Here we go. Closing some of them so I can redo it higher when it bounces back up. See? Like now, watch, bam. Got a better cost. See that? Just redid it, got a better cost. Now I'm down 5 again. That last one I did, I'm already up 150. Oh, down, do more, look. There you go. I should have covered more. Down 8, next time it goes down 10. Next time it goes positive, I'm going to cover more. Then on this bounce back up, I'm going to do it again. Half of them. Maybe I'll try a stock too, like some Apple. I'll short some Apple. Nice. UV 14, 15. Strong as an ox. VXX, my gauge at 17.20. Moved from 11 to 20 as well. DB 81. Wells Fargo even. KXIN hasn't done nothing. Morris right at the low. NSCO new high 685. 690. NSCO Heinz 7. There you go. Beauty. Beauty. Beauty trading. Yeah, if you want to check out INO for 13. $12.96. It's already came all the way down the block, so I don't know how much more it's got, but yeah, of course. Express got destroyed, down 30%. UV 15 new high. I got 23 more times to say it today. 23 more times to say it today. SQQQ dropping. This is popping up $1,000. I told you. Told you, dudes. Here we go. Up $2,000. I was up way. Holy shit. It came all the way down to here. I missed it. Damn it. Look at that, huh? and I would have been doing it again. I missed the trade. Now I'm down 6 again because I wasn't looking at it. Damn, it came down, dudes, huh? Woohoo! I missed it. I missed it. I won't miss it this time. Watch. Here you go. Up 300. Up 4. I'll take this one up 300. I'll take this one up 125. I'll take this one up 225. If it returns back down to this one that's negative 1,700, they'll all be, each line will be worth $2,000. It'll be worth like $20,000, dude. If it comes right down to it, this original one right here. Look, doing it again. See that? The ones I just did, I'm positive on. Look, already up 200, 300. The ones I just did, look at that. The 2 I just did, do it again in the blue. Look, the ones I just did are right down here on the bottom. That's it. Next time it comes down, I'm down 9. I'm going to cover at least half of them. Here it comes. Look. UV's blinking. Still the same. All right, here we go. We're coming down. Down 8, down 7, down 6. I'll come back to it. Nothing else is doing anything worth anything except UV. And my SPY UV new high. 22 times to go. Come on, baby. This one I'm down 15 now. It spiked back up. It's right here. So here's a top. Here's a top. I don't think it's going to break that. If it does, it's a loss, but I don't think it will. I think this is 10% chance right here. Coming back down to go test this area. 90% chance. Here we come. 90% chance. I told you I was right. Red bar. Here we go. Watch this drop. When they drop, dudes, they're big. Keep on going, baby. All the way down. Watch. Cover it right down onto this line. Because then the red line will be here. You don't look at none of this. It's irrelevant. If you traded according to that, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm down, I better sell, you'd lose every time. You'd lose every time you sold. It would go like, oh my God, it would go right. Look, I just sold it for a loss. Now it's got going in my direction I wanted. Now let's come back to it. WDR trending up. Anything halt? Nope. There's a Dash Trader contest coming in a couple of days. A link in the description below in my YouTube. You can check that out. Discount code. New high on UV right here. 11.15 to 16 now. Full position. Haven't sold any UVXY. Full position. I'll keep you guys in it. I'll switch to a 15-minute rail grind in a little bit. We're still in 5-minute. Switching to that first. I teach all this in my bootcamp course, guys. This is how you'll know how to trade like a professional and like a master. It's only 30 minutes gone by in the morning so far. 30 minutes. That's it. Down huge on them NASDAQ puts and them futures. It's testing the top now. See it? Down huge on them. Down huge. Look at that. You know what it means if it breaks and I'm down even more? I got to wait a little bit longer time with patience. That's all. That's all. That's all. Because I'm going to be right on this one. You'll see. It just requires patience. UVXY new high. Comp is 12,400. Right here, you can see this is what, as this goes higher, I'm losing on my thing right there. You could see how it's moved. This is exactly what I'm trading on the other screen. So when this thing comes back, then go retest back in this little box. And if it goes higher, big deal. It'll just take a little bit more time for it to come down back into this little box. The Dow 30,000, live on the Mojo show, 30,008. Comp 12,400, just Heinz. Big deal. Now they'll all start to come back down again. Computer algorithms, guys, does that. So while you're up there, the airline's new high right there, 1550 on that American Airlines, doing super fabulous. You know what it's like? It's like the airlines got a boost from the pandemic. I've never seen the airlines more hot than right here. Did you see that? Mr. Marshall, if you're watching this today, did you see the Heinz 215, 216 just now on your Microsoft? Yeah, that's why I got it on my screen. The Heinz Power, look at the size of the bar through the 216, dude. You bought it at 90. Look at that. Bam. Every time. Look at the bar through 215. You bought it at 214.90. Amazing, huh? And you're in rail grind, so you haven't sold any yet. That's powerful trading, dude. It's what I teach. Looking for you to join for the new year. Get your trading the best it's ever been. UVXY new high, 1116. Beauty. Moderna's moving through 150. There's UV new high. VXX new high. SQQQ, no new high yet, but be patient. This one is, down terrible. I got a lot to make up. That one went really, really south on me. Patience. This one's holding strong. American Airlines 60. Got a little top going on this AAL right here. A little top, guys. This is the end of the rally on the airlines. If you want to take a little short action on that, stock is going to go lower. What else now? UV still 15. And I think we're going to have to go into break time. $16 new high UV. Boop, boop.
You just nailed it.
UV 17 new high. 21 more times to go. UV 17, 21 more times to say it today. Full position still. Traded futures NQ with you. You made $201. Thank you, Mr. 4. Yoo-hoo-hoo! I'm down big on that position, but I'll wait. Nicely done. DGLY moving nicely. Yeah, swing. Let me check out the swing. Log in. And then we'll take a break. So Crone at 6:35, we have the $8 strike, expires in 15 days at 8:48, doing good. 28 to 27, 10 to 9, and UV we got the 13s. All right, down on UV. FPay $2, baby. 210. Flex shopper. Could I raise this trail stop to 195, boys? Verify me got sold. Damn. At 340. Siffy. Damn. And Vion, they all came down. Vion's holding. So they all came down. No, this one came up a little bit. 270. DGLY is the same. Isaiah down 2. TDMI swing pick. Right here from Sundays up 20%. GVP down 5 and works down 13. This one's down 2. These are all down and these are all up. I'm going to take profits on these 3. I'll wait a little bit longer. And I'll take profits on those 3. This one, I ain't letting it go negative. I ain't letting this one go below 94. This one I ain't letting go below 1550, 94, and 129. UV 1119 new high. New high on UV 19. Beauty. UVXY new high 19. Told you. This is the test point. Full position, up a boatload of cash. The whole day was made right here on this UVXY trade. So all you need is one good stock, dude. I told my buddy that right here. I said, dude, one good stock. That's all you need. Where was it? I'm telling my buddy right here, MSFT. I Heinzed it through 214.90. To 216.20. Hasn't stopped. Almost out. $19 on UV. Told you AAL was freaking done. That thing's done. Made its run. Airplane coming down for the landing, not going up for the landing. It's a big difference. UV red to green. Here's 20. Here's 20 on UV. Ooh, down terrible on that. Up huge on that. This is real. This is a demo, so I'm glad it's only a demo. Come on, UV. In the shack. Yep, new high there, Mr. Mosky Rar. Everything did pretty decently today. The calls, nothing, crazy. We didn't get caught up in no craziness. Just solid booked profits. It's really solid. That's what I like. Tilray's moving. ACB just Heinz 11. Just watching them, not getting in on them. Mara may make your swing now back up, dude. See, this was what I told you about. You wait the first half hour and then see what's going on and then come in. Do real well. DB starting to move a little bit, see, but not just a penny or two. So in case there's a dump, I wouldn't get involved in any of these because they're too tight. One red bar down, you're crushed. 20 on UV. There's 20. 20 more times to say it today, guys. 20 more times to say it. Let's take a break. We come back, it'll be 30. How about that? Let's do that. All right, got a little break time happening in the Mojo room. 1121 new high on UV. 1121 new high on that UV. Just be patient on that SQQQ down here. Hexo's moving through 115 now. I'm going to add a little Hexo's going to go through that signal at 117, guys, into the break. Hexo into the break, guys. 117, moving beautifully. UV into a new high of 1121. Excellent job today all around. There's the 117 Gonzo on Hexo. Excuse me. It's going to go from red to green. May go up 5%, go into the 20, mid-20s right here. CCL, look at it going through 22 Heinz. See it? Nice work there. If you want to do that one, just look for the evens. And then we go take our break. Nothing down here. Nothing down here. Hexo doing great. 117. There's your big signal. It's definitely going through that. Going to 120, guys. 120. AFA dogs moving. AFA, Hexo, Tilray, ACB. Beautifuls. And that's about it for Mojo into the break. I'm just perusing everything else I got. And we'll come back and keep it going. Thanks, guys. You can UVXY, guys, new high 1125. 17 more times to say it to you. 17 more times to say it. 1125, new high, UVXY. Great job. Hey guys, I was doing a little other work there. Watch, look at amazing run on the airlines, huh? Up 8.5%. The more I cursed it, the more it went higher. Glad I didn't do anything with it. Wells Fargo new high at 29.29. They're doing good. The banks and the Wells Fargos. My SQQQ's coming back right here, 670. UV still doing wonderful at an 18, went to 25. Everything's looking good, folks. Everything looking good. Here comes the drops and the pops. Tesla's a short at 590. Right here, guys. Tesla short 589 into 590. SQQQ's popping 72 now. Told you I was a great reprice. Good job, everybody. I was down huge on them futures. Now I'm coming back. One more drop down, I'll be even. Cool. All right, guys, I'm going to keep this stream running. Let me make sure I got some people watching. Yep. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm taking a break. Keep the screen running. Hey guys, ProTrader Mike. Look, I'm up $5,000 now. Told you I was down all that hugeness before, remember? Boom, I'm only down $2,000. Account's worth 133,000. Dude, I was down like 50. It was all the way up here. Look, from here to here was a $50,000 move. And I was gauging it on SQQ right here. Is it 1684? Just went to 1690. You guys see that action on the SQQ, guys, in the room? Told you I was gauging my position right there. I came all the way back. 1690 SQQ. Told you. Look how sweet that was. This position came all the way back, dude. I still own the original one right here. Look at that. Hasn't come back to my original. I'm still down 1,300, 1,400 on these two. I'm just going to cut them both and be flat. And I'll do it again. Now I'm going to see if I could do the, let's see what these look like. Apple. So I'm going to short Apple, one lot. Let's just say it's 122.60. That's fine, 20-cent spread. So I shorted an Apple and I'm already down $20. So one Apple is equivalent to 100 shares. All right. How about Facebook? 1,000. So let's do a Facebook. I want 1,000 shares. See how many times I can do it. Chart window. Template Mojo. 5 minute. So let's go. Apple, we're gonna get out of. Let's just check this one out. This is Facebook. It's gonna go lower. It's gonna go higher from here. Let's just see how many I can do anyway. So one is 1,000. So let's see if I can do 10. $283.90 by 284. I'm going to try to get this at right here. So if it goes Heinz, and we'll see. Let's see here. Let's just go back to this for a second. Down 350. All right, we're going to do that. So we're going to come back here. I'm going to buy 10. Can't do 10. Let's try 5. Can't do 5. You can do 1,000 shares. But that's not really a lot of leverage right there. That would be 284,000, and I got 132. So I can only do one. So there is no leverage on that. And I'm down 280 because I bought the spread. So this doesn't really offer anything good for me on that. BCH. I'm going to Heinz 300. Let's go here. So let's go. This is going to Heinz. Look at it. It's going to Heinz 300. 4, 5, 6, 7. Bought them 7 times. So I'm controlling 10 BH, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got a lot of B. I got 10. I got 100 coins of this at 295. So I got 295 of them times 100. It's control. That's it. Yeah, 10. Only down 29 on each. That sucks. Thought it gave you more, but I guess it doesn't. Apple's 100, Google's 100, Facebook's 1,000. And the NASDAQ 100 came right back up after that. Nice. BCH is going to Heinz 300. Just get out of all these. There's no commissions in this. There's only a spread. So it's really only good for doing the futures because you get considerable leverage. So here we go. We're going to go again right here. Look. Boom. Boom. Got it at 88, 88, 75, and 25. Already making money. Look at that. Already up, down. Let's go some more. 88. How about Teva? How many shares of Teva do I control? Here's Teva. 1,000. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,000 shares I can control of Teva. Yeah, that is pretty nice. Teva goes to $10, make huge, dude. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how much that used. I got margin of 44,000 left. Free margin of 85,000. Cool. Yeah, you can definitely do some Teva. Very interesting. And you can do some more of this. Got plenty of power in the account still. Yeah, you got a lot of action you can do. Gotta love it. Gotta get this baby to 150 today. I'm up 1250. Look at that. Up on the NASDAQ 100 dropping. See it right there in the middle? Look at this one. Up beautiful. Taking the cash. Up 500, 600, 600, 650. Beautiful, beautiful mojo. Look at that, dude. Teva, let's just get rid of these. Just wanted to see how many I could buy at Teva if I wanted to. In order to close the position, you just got to click on this X. You can only open up, you can keep on opening up positions, but it only lets you do a certain amount. 5 lots. Nice, flat. I'm up to 134,391. Great trade. This SQQQ is 90 and change now. Almost 85. Here we go, 90. Going to 90. Great trading today in the Mojo room. Nice acre. Good job. Dude, what happened with your acre stock? Did you take the profit? It came all the way fucking back down. Hope you're going to call it a day now on that thing. Back to 207 and went to 196. I saw it earlier. How's the low 199? I saw it at 196. That was a good trade, dude. Came all the way back down, dude. All the way back down. Look at that, huh? Traded on the way up now. Buy it in the red. Buying it now long. All right, let's see what it does. Make another couple of thousand and that's it. Got to buy when they're red and sell short when they're blue. All right, red, 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 red. Buying the dip. All right, I'm in. So I bought the dip, down huge. Let's see if it rebounds, just like the last. Going to go right back over, like right into this range right here. See, here it comes back up right now. I'm up 500 on this one. 300 on that one. Buy it again. Buy it again. Just buy the dip. If it rallies back up, we dump it. Otherwise, we'll retrade it back into this zone. All right, let's come back to it in a minute. See what the SQQ is, 94. Oh, this is close to, let's see if it dips down. That's why it's there, because it's close to 17 Heinz. UV's the same, 15. Surprising. Still same, 15, 16. $17. That's rising back up now. Here we go. You're down so much before you get into a profit. It's crazy. Let's switch to the 15. Look at that. Rode that baby right down, dude, into the Cupid top. Right down, dude. See that? Now I'm long for the bounce back up. Could come back down into here, but I think it's going to bounce first back up. Like it's doing now. I'm up $400 on that one. $500 on that. I'll just keep on taking profits on these other ones down here, and the other ones when they come out, do it again and again and again. It's 325. Another 575. Another. Here's one down here. 50, 100. 300 right there. Clipped it. Here's one right here. 50, 100, 200. Clip that one right there. Here we go on this one. Got a nice little rebound back up. Told you. This should be at 90, 89. Told you. I know exactly what's going on to the penny. Here we go. I'm up 400. I was down so much, I'm taking profit. I'm getting out. Up 150. I'm at 135 now. 136. All right, getting out. Only down $100. I'm going to reprice these down 50. I'm at 136. I'm at 137,000 now. 136.5. I want to get out of these, do a new trade. Buy one more. All right, already up 150 on that last trade. I clicked the button, boom, right up 150. There it is, up 200, taking it. Taking this 100. Beautiful. Taking this 125. These three are hurting right here. Already up 200. Look at that, up 750. Great job. 475, 250. Look at that rebound back up at 138,000. Look at that, 138,116, up 400 on that one, taking it. Boom, done, flat at 138,191. Account history. Just made right there. 275, 225, 50, 50, 500, 300, 550, 175, 525, 325, 100, all these. Look at all these. Look at all 900 right there. Boom, 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 boom. Started with 100,000. I'm right now at 138,191. Beautiful. Here's Pfizer. Where's Teva? 78. 976 by 78. By 10 Teva at 978. See how much I'm down? Down $200. I'm controlling how many shares? 10,000. And it's down 2 cents. That's $200. Correct. Cool. And I got exposure of of a lot. Beautiful. Love this little system. This is the Meta 4 platform. Bitcoin 19,319. Here's Facebook coming up on the rebound through 283. BCH. Oh, it fell all the way back down to 288. I want to take up these currencies. Here's the NASDAQ coming back up. Nice buy there, huh? Good trading. Let's see what the Qs are at. The Q should be at like 86. Yep, 85, 86. Mara's 89 now, dudes. Yamara down there. Ooh, it went all the way to 605 just now, dude, and came back down again. Look at that. Hope you made your timing on it. Good for the day. EVK huge over 6. Holy crap, it went 717. Great trade, dude. Wow. Good job, Suarez. Took half and missed most on the acre. Greedy, up 10%, waiting for you. Yeah, you should have taken the money and ran. I know. It's all right. Learn. Do it. Don't forget it. So next time it happens, you're like, all right, and then it'll keep on running higher. But it's the name of the game. You got to do it out of 10 trades, not every trade. So out of 10, you'll be right 70% of your time on your by just taking your profits. Up 100. Look, I bought Teva. My first stock one. It's 79 by 81 now. Let me see if I can come in here and go. I don't want to close order. I want to like sell it. A trailing stop profit. as points. What's this? No. Profit as currency. TEV is 81. I'll buy another 10,000. I'm down $300 because the spread's 3 cents. Buying it again, 80. See, I got it at 80, not 81. So I nailed it. Only down 200 on that one. So I'm actually controlling 30,000 shares of Teva right now. Pretty cool. Now it's 79 by 81. Look at that. Bought another 10,000. Let's see how many I can do here. Like I'm done. So I've got, let me see, exposure. Yeah. So I got 49,000 of margin left. I could probably do 5. No. 2. 1. Yeah, 1. So I got exposure. It didn't really move. Trade. Down 620. But this Teva I'm already up on. Only down 20 bucks. Oh, that's only 1. That's why. All right. Teva looks good. It's going to go to 10 bucks. I'll be up so much. I'm controlling 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 shares. I'll make $10,000. It goes to 10 bucks. I'm good with that. Let's close this out, wait, and come back later. Guys, thank you so much for watching the Mojo Show. I'm going to end the stream right now and go do some lunch, and keep the room open, like I said. Be trading that all day and all night. Come join the Mojo Day Trading Room. When I get your email and your payment, I'll send you a full setup email with credentials to get into the chat room. You get the newsletter for free. I get you a discount on the Mojo Bootcamp as well, guys. Everybody, peace. Keep it profitable, and thanks for watching.